Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Farah Farooq from OCLP, Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements at University of Management and Technology, UMT. Under the vision of President UMT, Mr. Ibrahim Hassan Murad has launched a high-impact iconic learning and development focused Virtual Career Week 2021 on the theme of Chasing the Dream Career 2030 to prepare the students and facilitate them to engage as marketable graduates for the future world of work. This Career Week is one of its kind engaging platforms that has brought together the biggest, smartest, and brightest gurus, speakers, panelists, and success icons from all walks of life. There are myriad career related activities planned in this career week, including insightful workshops, induction sessions, recruitment drives, education expos, engaging panel discussions, and multiple grooming and orientation sessions for the future leaders. In this career week, students will be oriented about the expectations, emerging trends, and challenges of of this industry. Furthermore, this Career Week has also provided a platform to the corporate sector to introduce their companies to a diverse crowd of students and to get a pipeline of talent as your future workforce, as we have 25,000 plus students and 20,000 plus alumni, and they are not only their potential employees for the future but their current consumers and future influencers as well. Talking specifically about today's theme, so today's theme is Launchpad, whereby we have organized a recruitment drive specifically for the students of SST and SBE schools. Prior initiating the session, I would like to give a brief intro about the speaker. We have Miss Kalbe Zainab and Ibtisam Sani from SoftScare with us. Kalbi Zainab is working as HR manager at SoftScare, having 2 years of experience in her field. She started her career during studies like third or fourth semester. Previously, she has been working in virtual university as an assistant admin for 1 year and has done internship at Abrix Alpha Tower in HR department and in Pell in HR and marketing department. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Ibtisam Sani. He is a senior business development manager and co-founder at SoftScare. He has bachelor's degree in computer science and then he started his first job as QA engineer for 1 year. He joined SoftScare in 2017 with 3 clients, which is now expanded to 500 plus clients globally. Now, I would also like to give a brief intro about the company SoftScare to whom they are representing. SoftScare is an IT company which is new in the market. It was established 4 years back, specialized in website development, mobile application development, brand design, and custom software development. They help new companies in product development and management. They don't simply create websites, they construct websites that get results. SoftScare is proud to be a trusted partner for over 500 plus clients in over 200 plus countries. They take an agile approach to designing, building, and scaling amazing mobile, web, and desktop apps, helping businesses achieve their goals and thrive. They have highly skilled designers and developers, architects, project managers, and testers, all recruited through an exceptionally rigorous process. Now, I would like SoftSquare team to formally start the session.
Thank you, Farah, for a brief introduction, and I'm really glad to join this session. As you have already told the students about our company and what we are doing so far, so I think I would like to go for the recruitment process that we are following here, and we would like the students to follow that as well. So basically, we are now seeking, as we have expanded our team and we have the leads for all of the fields that we have. So now we are planning to launch a recruitment session in which we will try to find the internees for our office environment, that we can our team of different technologies have their leads with them, and I would like them to guide the students of different universities and from different technologies. So they will surely, if a student, so that's why we have conducted this session, and I would like all the students that are have joined here to apply to our recruitment drive, and please try to give our test. This is a very formal test, and it's a short test, and you will get to know about the basic questions and the basic programming techniques that we have been following here since 2017. So I would like all the students to give at least try to give this test, and we will analyze the test by our specialized developer team, and then we will surely conduct a further recruitment by checking all the tests, and we'll see which students are stood out amongst all of them, and then we definitely will conduct the interviews for them. And this is basic process for hiring the internees for our uh, software house. So basically we have different positions here, like we have we are seeking internees in graphic designing, in website development, and in you know mobile application development, in HR department. So that's why I would like all the students from irrespective of their department, I would like them to apply for this and at least give our test, and then we will see where we are standing. So that's all from now from my side. Kalvi
Now we
Zainab,
will
if you want to share something, you can share.
Hi everyone. Actually, Ulgul had told everything, so I guess students have any questions you can ask me. So I guess there is no question from anyone. This is Mubashir Akmal.
Yes,
Yes,
thank you very
Mubashir.
much. So I wanted to ask Mr. Sunny about what type of applications do you develop at Software? Mainly web applications or mobile applications?
Actually, we are dealing with web applications, and we have done a lot of custom web application. Like we have recently developed a web application for our Canadian-based client that is related to influencer, and this, like, you have celebrities from all over the world, and you have to some people have to give their advertisements for, like, for Instagram and for Facebook. So we have merged those influencers and advertisers in a same platform, and they are creating a campaign there. Like, you have I think you have heard about the Google campaign. So in the same pattern, they have created their campaigns, and then the celebrities will accept them, and we will all the transaction and all the payments are going through this platform. So this kind of complex web applications we are developing here, and in the meantime we also uh, are dealing with mobile applications, which is not our major department, but as you know, once you are in IT field, you have to come with uh, every technology that are globally introduced, and that's why we have also launched our mobile application department as well. So we don't have the actual team in our office, but we have remote working uh, seniors for mobile application development. So basically, uh, our major team is for web app development, but we also dealing with mobile application development.
Okay, thank you very much for the reply. Actually, I wanted to apply for intern Laravel, so it is okay because I also imagine in web applications.
Yeah, we are highly encouraging Laravel students because we have specialized developers in Laravel and Vue.js. So that's why I think it will be best for you to apply.
Thank you.
If anyone else have any questions regarding our job description or our departments, we will ask freely.
I think we are done. Now we will be sharing our quiz link and password in the chat box. All participants are requested to please access it, and good luck everyone. Thank you, Zainab and Mr. Ibtasam, for your time. I hope it was a great learning experience for all of us. OCLP always strives hard to provide resources, support, and opportunities to help them transform themselves into marketable graduates, and we will keep bringing such more activities in future as well. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Farah.
You're
Have a
welcome.
great day. Bye bye.
Bye.